Oh, okay. So which part?
So like, see right where it becomes black? It just, see, rots.
Oh, wow.
So where as soon as the water stopped, it's still alive. So up here, it's fine. So it's just like this thin layer where the roots can stay
wow,
alive.
that looks so interesting.
Yeah, isn't that weird? And yeah, so like if this had no mud at the bottom, the roots would have reached right to the bottom.
Wow.
I'm gonna take it off.
Oh yeah, you guys are gonna get a whole bunch of new plants soon. Because I remember back there, you guys had a lot of stuff.
Oh yeah, the whole store was gonna let the
Yeah. Oh yeah, this is so pretty though.
You don't have to, but it's good to have that layer where like the moisture can sit in there and not.
Shoot, this is pretty too. Dang.
That's why.
Oh wow, look at these pretty vases back here. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, these things.
That's gonna be this one, or this one would be the best size.
Oh, okay, yeah, I can get a terracotta tray. Wait, which one you said is the best size?
Something like that.
Oh, okay, yeah. Which color should I get? I guess I'll probably get clay, I guess. Man, imagine that place probably makes bank. For real. Yay, going home. Okay, nice. All right, so an update on Rex. Rex is doing so much better. I'm happy. Okay, so let's check out Rex. I mean, unfortunately, this is donezo, but for the most part, though, like, so much better. I mean, yeah, there's this one. True. But overall, Rex system. I got this thing, and I'm gonna probably put Rex in a higher pot.